Hello and welcome to my channel, Beardy Vlogger. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Renewed Man for the second time, but this time with a different set of scents. So I purchased their Mocha's Barista and their Gypsy Tabak, and I've been using it in combination with some beard balm that I purchased last time. If you happen to miss my unboxing and first impressions of these two scents, I'll put that up in a card over here for you guys, or over here. I never know where it goes. Just tap your phone, click on the little eye at the end of the video, and then you can watch it to see what my first impressions were. So there's three things that I want to talk about today. We're going to go over the scent profiles for these two scents, what the price is, and then what my feel and beard experience is with this company. So the Barista's Mocha is made with real cocoa, vanilla, and coffee extract, topped with frankincense. Now the cool thing with these oils is you can purchase these oils for two different types of skin. So they have the oil for dry normal skin, oily, and acne prone skin as well. So I got mine for the dry/normal skin. I'm not very acne prone, but I do definitely have dry skin. So this is the one that I purchased. So this is the Barista's Mocha, and I got it with kind of that spray top. There's different options on the website. You can choose this spray top or a pumper top or a restrictor top. I really enjoyed this Barista's Mocha right out of the bottle. It's a very nice, strong, but like sweet coffee scent. If you watch my unboxing, you'll see from my reaction that I instantly fell in love with this scent, and I really did enjoy using this oil. The Gypsy Tabak I wasn't so much of a fan of. It's more of like a cigar blend tobacco oil, and for myself, I like those sweeter tobacco oils. On that note, Renewed Man is coming out with some scents using fragrance oils. Up until this point, they've only been using essential oils. So there's going to be some more unique blends and scents coming to this company. So I strongly encourage you guys to have another look at them in a couple of weeks to see what kind of different scent profiles they come up with. I am testing some scent profiles for them right now, and let me tell you, they are on track to have some really amazing scents. And that's about all I can say about that, but definitely check them out again in a few weeks, because I think they're coming out with some really great unique blends. So on the website here, the Mocha's Barista is regular priced $18, currently on sale for $16 for 1 ounce. And personally, I think that's just like a really good price for what you're getting. I find that with Renewed Man, I've had a really great experience with Feel and Beard. It's one of the probably top 5 companies for me in terms of how well they soften my beard, and that's literally just using their oil and their balm. And they are, I can't wait. They're eventually coming out with a butter as well. So I can only imagine that my beard is going to feel really awesome. I am going to get their butter when it comes out, and I can't wait to use all three, the oil, the balm, and the butter together, because I just know it's going to be a really good beard softening experience for me. If you're into those like sweeter coffee scents, definitely try out Barista's Mocha, guys. This is a very unique coffee scent. I really enjoyed this one. Again, the Gypsy Tabak, not for me. If it was a little bit more like a sweeter tobacco scent, definitely for me. The pricing's great, $18 for an ounce. That's pretty on par with what we're seeing from really great companies. I'll have a discount code for you guys in the description. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week. I'm going to be doing a review. I'm going to be doing a second round of and then you can just click on the little well, this one is kind of cool because you just kind of spray it onto your hand and then put it in. I really loved this. Well, this is the Gypsy Tabak. I screwed up.
Perfect.